How to download Grubhub app on your iPhone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, you need to launch the App Store. Currently, I'm on my Android phone, so I'll head over to my Play Store. After you're in the store, tap on the search bar. Now type in Grubhub and search for it. In the search results, you'll see the Grubhub app appear. It'll have this kind of logo, and the app is developed by Grubhub itself. So once you find this app and you confirm all these informations, you can simply tap on it. In this app info page, if you are on your iPhone, you'll see the Get button. As I'm using my Android phone right now, I can see this install button over here. So in order to download this app into your phone, you can simply tap on this button and the download process will start. It'll take few moments depending on your internet speed. The download process in Android and iPhone are pretty much similar. Once the download is completed, you can see this open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on it. And there you go. You have successfully downloaded the Grubhub app on your phone. You can now create your account and explore the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.